So good morning everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology. So I am going to take SNS roadmap. So let us see what you mean by SNS roadmap. So it contains the four stages: foundation, framework and culture, growth and innovation, excellence and creation. So chose and what is challenge? Let us see. So chose is what? Some students are always hyperactive, right? So they always want to play and enjoy and hear music, singing, dancing, etc. Whereas some students are always asking doubts. So we need to balance the both type of students, right? Hyperactive students and also both academic students. So in order to overcome this challenge, we are going this design thinking framework. It is a human-centered innovation technology which is built under foundation. Next one is what? Framework and culture. So let us see how this frameworks culture. So this is what 3P culture, 3C framework, 5 pillars and spine. So the 3P culture is what? Purpose, process and people. And 3C framework is what? Attitude, logic and technique. 5 pillars is what? CLT pillar, CFC pillar, SRI, IAPAC and then general. So this is what this 5 pillars. The spine is what this founder club is created by this spine. And tagline, redesigning common mindsets and business towards excellence. This is what 3C competency cycle, attitude, curiosity and accountability. And 3P culture, purpose, process, people. And next one is what? Social responsibility initiatives. And IAPC, where we want to connect this students LinkedIn connection with the other experienced faculty members and other institutions. So this will be helpful for the students for the job analysis. And Center for Creativity is what? It is the main backbone of this 5 pillar mission. And skill and career development. Okay, if the students were to go through any interview, they need to build the skills. So for example, this is what this car navigation, right? So our teachers are this drivers, our students are this sitting behind the teachers. We need to go with this correct navigation path. So for this, sometimes fear will go off, right? So for this, the students need to acquire knowledge based on this industry expertise. For this, we are going to do this Innovation 7i and Gen AI enablement. And finally, they got this certified talents. So in order to achieve all these levels, number 1, industry core facilitator, Harvard case study, and 16 industrial clubs, and AI and cloud certification, hackathons and competitions, skilling clubs, and YCOM integrator. We need to achieve all this SMART OKR. We already know that SMART is a specific, measurable, achievable, R for relevant, T for time bound. We can do the SMART works by using this all pillars. We can easily get to the company requirements. And this is what OKR, objective and key results. So in order to achieve all this company requirements or all this industry requirements, we are going for this smart OKR. And next one is what? We have this culture, right? What is our vision? To building an entrepreneur mindset. Yes? Right. If you want to grow a plant, so first you put a seed under the sand, after that the root comes, after that leaf comes, and finally the tree will be like a flowering colors. So similarly here, if you build the entrepreneur mindset to the students, they can fly with this flying flowers. So that is what this basic understanding of this PPT. And students can also entertain by using the spine block, which is available in this AA campus. And also here, the students itself can do their own creativity and innovation, which is the best sample of the Schoolyum Nano. The students can go through this all level, definitely they will get an entrepreneur mindset. So thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you all. Have a great day.